Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, thank you so much for coming to my channel to watch my video. I'm so glad to have you here, and I hope you'll stick around. If you like what you see, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell so you'll be notified of my videos, which I do weekly. Weekly, at least I think I've done about 3 videos in the last 3 weeks. Yeah, I think so. So weekly, let's say weekly for now. So weekly, yes. So I'm trying to be regular, guys. That's what I'm trying to tell you anyway. So guys, yes, please, if you're new, please stick around, hit the subscribe button, the bell, leave me a comment, let me know you're new. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video today. I'm so glad to have you. Thank you so much for your support. And I really am glad to have you here again today. So if you're new here, I do videos about lifestyle, I do videos about beauty, I do videos about hair, recovery from alopecia, because that's what I had. And yeah, over the years, I have learned what to do to my hair. I'm also trying to wean myself off wigs. I've been wearing wigs quite a lot because I didn't want to braid my hair or plait my hair with attachments, because that was what made my hair fall off initially. So I have been wearing wigs, maybe just twisting my hair underneath and wearing wigs and all that. But now my hair is growing to an extent where I can leave it out, and I had somebody come and do my hair today. So I'm just going to show you, you'll see her doing my hair. So that's what I did today. I did mini twist, and you see the back of my hair. I'll put some videos so you can see. I'll put some clips so you can see the process. Yeah, just a short part of it too. I just didn't want to prolong it, because just to see what I did, you know. So my hair is growing, it's much longer at the back. It's really quite full at the back, but the front is scanty, and I don't really have much hair in front of my head, and that's not actually due to plaiting. I haven't really had hair there ever since I've known myself, ever since I've been young, you know. So really that's just, but yeah, it gets worse, you know. So I try to make sure that I don't put too much pressure on my hairline, because you can't buy hairline in markets. You can't go to the market and buy hairline, you won't find it. Anyway guys, that's just a dry joke, as my children will say. Anyway, yes, so I do try to keep my hairline healthy, try to put less pressure on it. So this is, yeah, this is probably be on my hair for at least maybe a month, and then I'll take it out, you know. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing now, mini twists for now. Maybe when it gets to winter again, I might go back to wearing wigs occasionally, you know, and all that. But yeah, I think it's really hard to wean yourself off wigs if you're used to a certain look. But the funny thing, guys, is that a few days ago I put a wig on my head, and it just felt so odd, you know, and I just took it off and just left my hair out, because I just find that now that I've gotten used to not wearing wigs, I'm actually beginning to embrace it, and I'm actually beginning to like the way my hair looks without the way I look without wigs. The way I look without wigs. Yes, I'm beginning to embrace that, guys. I'm not saying that wearing wigs is wrong or anything like that. That's not what I'm saying. But I'm just saying that for me, I don't want to make it a lifestyle. I don't want it to be that I can't go out if I don't have a wig on. So yeah, that's why I'm trying to grow my hair. And yeah, let me show you the products I used for my hair before I did it. So this is the shampoo. This is the coconut and hibiscus coil and shine shampoo. So that's the shampoo. Let me bring it up close so you can take a screenshot, because in my last video I had a few people send me messages asking for the products that I used. They said they couldn't see what I showed, so this time I'm going to show them up close. So this is the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. So these are products that I've used for a long time. These Shea Moisture products, I've used them for a long time. And then I used my almond J twisting butter from Camille Rose. I think I have another video about one of the other Camille Rose products that I used as well. I love their products. And of course I use my Dove's. Yeah guys, I think I've talked about this product quite a lot. It's almost finished. But yeah guys, I've ordered another one because it's really working for me, you know. One thing is that my hair tends to itch me quite a lot, and then yeah, I scratch it and then I lose hair. So this product has something in it, I don't know, it really does help with that. So yeah, I'm sticking to this product for now. Chip is the only problem anyway, but yeah, I'll see how I can go about that. And yeah, so that's it guys, that's it. I'll just show you some clips of my hair, and then yeah, if you also want advice or any tips about your hair, if you've lost hair as well and you think that you want to ask me on YouTube. Don't send me messages on Instagram DM, because I probably won't really see them. I don't go to Instagram, my DM all the time, but if you put it on YouTube, I'll see it and I'll respond. And you can also follow me on my other social media, Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. Thank you so much guys for watching this video today. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, as I said before, don't forget to write them in the comment section and I will respond. Thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.